everyone, it's Jackie here with Shift Physical Therapy and Wellness. And if you haven't already checked it out, we have a video on our website that goes through some stretching techniques that you can do after doing an exercise program. We here at Shift offer a exercise program, a 6-week adult class, and we just wanted to hop on and provide some resources for them. But maybe you're new to our site, or you just kind of stumbled upon this video. This specific video is going to show you how to use a foam roller to help loosen up your muscles and do some self-care that is very important after doing some of your workouts, especially if you're experiencing some soreness. So we know that it's really great to drink water after you've done your workouts and throughout the day. Water is very, very important to stay hydrated, but you can also do some foam rolling to help loosen up the muscles and get rid of some of that ick stuff or lactic acid buildup that happens when you are doing workouts. The soreness is a blessing, but we also want to stay functional and mobile. So I'm going to take you through a few of the foam rolling exercises today. We'll go through kind of some lower body and upper body exercises as well as some exercises that you can do to kind of loosen up through the mid-back region and chest area. So first exercise that I'm going to show you, or first rolling technique that I'm going to show you, is getting those glute muscles that sit on our hips. So what I'm doing here is I'm just using my body weight to help roll through some of the musculature of the glutes and outer thigh muscles. So I typically, whatever I do to one side, I always do to the other side. So I'm just going to show you guys one side today, and then you'll kind of get the idea and be able to move through both sides. But I'm just using my body weight to roll through that glute musculature, and then I'm shifting myself forward and backward so that I could get different muscles and areas of the muscles. And now here I'm going on my side, and I'm getting that outer hip muscle called the gluteus medius, or glute med. And then from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go further down the leg and roll the outside of the leg surrounding that IT band. Now this is a tight area for a lot of people, so it might be tender. One of the things that you can do is you can use the supporting leg to help lift yourself up so that you're not using as much body weight and pressure. And that's the nice thing about foam rolling, is that you are in control of how much pressure that you're using. You can always use a foam roller too to have someone roll for you. So you can lay on your side and have someone put the foam roller on the top of that outer thigh and just do a gentle roll through there as well. It also works well to use a tennis ball or a lacrosse ball and just kind of roll through some of the muscles that tend to be tight. Okay, so next one that I'm going to show you for foam rolling is going to be your calf muscle. So in our exercise class, our 6-week class, we do a lot of cardio. We definitely work the calves, which is amazing, but they do tend to get a little sore. So from here, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start low, and I'm going to work my way rolling back and forth on that foam roller. Now I can turn my leg towards the outside and get more of the outside calf muscle. I can turn my leg towards the inside, get more of the inside of my calf muscle. And again, what I do to one side, you're going to want to do to the other side. Keep it nice and loose and mobile. Fantastic. Okay. Now from here, I'm going to show you how to kind of roll out your lat muscles, kind of some of the muscles that sit, the bigger muscles that sit in between the arm and your back here. So from here, I tend to just kind of lean over and use my elbows to help pull. Oh, right there, right in that shoulder. Feels good. So just up and down, get those muscles worked. Again, you're in control of how much pressure you're using that back leg or supporting legs to help kind of propel the motion. Good. And now for some of my favorite exercises. Hopefully you guys will be able to see this fairly well on the camera, but I like to put the foam roller down the length of my spine. So I'm going to sit up on the foam roller here, and I'm going to put my spine centered right with the foam roller. Make sure you don't lose my head as I lay back. Okay, so my ponytail's in the way, or my bun. Anyways, so foam roller right in the middle of the spine here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that I engage my core so I don't have this big arch in my back. So I'm just going to kind of pull my belly button in towards my spine and make sure that my spine is flat on that foam roller. My knees are bent. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open up my arms and feel that stretch in the front of my chest through here. Good. So this will help stretch out the front of the chest, but also as we move through this, we can get a little bit of that thoracic mobility or mobility through our mid-back, which is extremely important. So what I'm going to do here is perfect time in Minnesota as we're getting snow. We're going to make our little snow angels, our fitness angels we'll call them. Yes, I'm that cheesy. But you make your little fitness angel, move those arms up and down. Again, trying to keep that back engaged. Up and down. And now another one that I really like to do too is like a wood chopper, like you're chopping wood. Again, I don't know if it's a Minnesota thing, since we're chopping wood, especially this time of year, but up and down you go. Just like this. Really feeling that stretch through the chest wall. You might even feel some stretch through the shoulders and getting things moving through there. So, oh, that felt really good. Okay, so those are some really great foam rolling exercises. There's a ton more, so if you have any questions about more exercises or ways to use the foam roller to help with some of the self-care and muscle soreness that you experience after exercise, feel free to reach out to us. We'd be happy to help. You can go ahead and fill out a free consultation form, a scheduling form, even if it's just to ask questions. We have a contact us section on our website too that you can reach out, or feel free to give us a call at 763-645-1113. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you found it useful. Have a great day.